Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a quiz on antonyms. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the antonym of the word accurate? The correct option is C. Inaccurate. Question 2. What is the antonym of the word include? The correct option is B. Exclude. Question 3. What is the antonym of the word complex? The correct option is A. Simple. What is the antonym of the word permanent? The correct option is A. Temporary. Question 5. What is the antonym of the word major? The correct option is D. Minor. Question 6. What is the antonym of the word approve? The correct option is C. Reject. Question 7. What is the antonym of the word success? The correct option is B. Failure. Question 8. What is the antonym of the word formal? The correct option is C. Informal. Question 9. What is the antonym of the word logical? The correct option is D. Illogical. Question 10. What is the antonym of the word valid? The correct option is A. Invalid. Question 11. What is the antonym of the word public? The correct option is B. Private. Question 12. What is the antonym of the word positive? The correct option is C. Negative. Question 13. What is the antonym of the word active? The correct option is A. Inactive. Question 14. What is the antonym of the word acceptable? The correct option is C. Unacceptable. Question 15. What is the antonym of the word legal? The correct option is D. Illegal. Question 16. What is the antonym of the word visible? The correct option is A. Invisible. Question 17. What is the antonym of the word increase? The correct option is C. Decrease. Question 18. What is the antonym of the word mature? The correct option is B. Immature. Question 19. What is the antonym of the word useful? The correct option is A. Useless. Question 20. What is the antonym of the word expand? The correct option is D. Shrink. Question 21. What is the antonym of the word organized? The correct option is C. Disorganized. Question 22. What is the antonym of the word regular? The correct option is B. Irregular. Question 23. What is the antonym of the word certain? The correct option is D. Uncertain. Question 24. What is the antonym of the word true? The correct option is C. False. Question 25. What is the antonym of the word succeed? The correct option is A. Fail. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.